Dear students, Education Point by Nazmul Islam is my new education related YouTube channel. So please everybody subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you. Today we will be solve some division related math problems. Exercise 4.2. Here both the expression are arranged in descending order of their power of x. So we can write x square minus x plus 1 minus x to the power 6 plus 1. At first, minus x to the power 6 divided by x square equal minus x to the power 4. Now minus x to the power 4 multiply with x square minus x plus 1 minus x to the power 4 multiply with x square equal minus x to the power 6, then minus x to the power 4 multiply with minus x equal minus plus x to the power 5, then minus x to the power 4 multiply with plus 1 equal minus x to the power 4. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Minus x to the power 6 plus x to the power 6 equals 0. Then we can write minus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4, then plus 1. Now minus x to the power 5 divided by x square equal minus x cube. So minus x cube multiply with x square minus x plus 1 minus x cube multiply with x square, that means minus x to the power 5 minus x cube multiply with minus x minus plus x to the power 4, then minus x cube multiply plus 1 equal minus x cube. According to the division law, symbol will be changed. Minus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 5 equals 0, plus x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 equals 0. Now we can write x cube plus 1. Now x cube divided by x square equal x. Now plus x multiply with x square minus x plus 1, x multiply with x square equal x cube, then plus x multiply with minus x, that means minus x square, then plus x multiply with plus 1 equal plus x. According to the division law, symbol will be changed. Plus x cube minus x cube equals 0. Then we can write x square minus x plus 1. Now x square divided by x square equal 1. So plus 1 multiply with x square minus x plus 1. So the multiplying value is x square minus x plus 1. According to the division law, symbol will be changed. Plus x square minus x square equals 0. Minus x plus x equals 0. Plus 1 minus 1 equals 0. So the required quotient equal minus x to the power 4 minus x cube plus x plus 1. Question number 28. X square minus 8abx plus 15a square b square divided by x minus 3ab. At first, x square divided by x equal x multiply with x minus 3ab. That means x multiply with x equal x square, then x multiply with minus 3ab equal minus 3abx. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Plus x square minus x square equals 0. Subtracted value of minus 8abx plus 3abx equal minus 5abx. Then plus 15a square b square. Now minus 5abx divided by x equal minus 5ab. Now minus 5ab multiply with x minus 3ab. Minus 5ab multiply with x equal minus 5abx. Then minus minus multiply plus 5ab multiply with 3ab. 5 3 is 15 a square b square. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Minus 5abx plus 5abx equals 0, plus 15a square b square minus 15a square b square equals 0. So the required quotient equal x minus 5ab. Question number 29. X cube y minus 2x square y square plus axy divided by x square minus 2xy plus a. X square minus 2xy plus a. X cube y minus 2x square y square plus axy. At first, x cube y divided by x square. X cube y divided by x square equal xy. Now xy multiply with x square minus 2xy plus a. Xy multiply with x square, that means x cube y. Then xy multiply with minus 2xy equal minus 2x square y square. Then xy multiply with plus a equal plus axy. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. X cube y plus x cube y minus x cube y equals 0, minus 2x square y square plus 2x square y square equals 0, plus axy minus axy equals 0. So the required quotient xy.